is 2020 Mercedes Benz GLB 250. Customer came in with a no audio. I looked all over the place looking for an amplifier. I found it on DirectX website. It's supposed to be an amplifier on the passenger side in the trunk. There's nothing here. We open this one up, nothing there. There's a little module there, but that's not an amp. On this side, nothing there. We took the seat out. A lot of times the amp is mounted under the driver or passenger seat. It's not there. We found a module right here behind this dashboard. You can actually access from under the dash by removing this panel. There is a module right there. Right there. The silver one. Right there. I unplugged the harness. There are two harnesses here. And I measure these. Twisted pair. There is a blue white with a black. And there's another pair. And these are the bass speakers. I tested it. They are bass speakers. That means that little silver box that I got unplugged, that's an amplifier. Right there. So we're gonna measure power and signal to see whether it's the amp or something else.